Look, I'm a patriot. I don't want there to be stagflation or really high prices. You know, that hurts families directly, especially families that are just trying to get by. But for us that have stacked silver, purchased silver over the years, and put ourselves in a position for something like this to happen, hey, this is kind of what we saw. We didn't create this economy, but stackers saw what was coming, and so we started stacking silver, gold, and copper. I wish I had gotten to copper earlier, but it's still early in copper. I think copper's the new, they say silver's the poor man's gold. Well, I think copper's the poor man's silver. But wish I had gotten to it earlier, but you can check out Copper Forecast and see what we're doing. I sometimes feel a little guilty in that, hey, if, the economy does bad, my silver and copper, do well. Well, it's kind of just pattern recognition from what we've seen in the past. So we saw this pattern, we positioned ourselves in a better position. So don't feel guilty about it. I'm going to try not to feel guilty about it. And this silver seems like it's on a silver tsunami. And just like Dr. Kirk Elliott says in this video, let's ride the wave. When the Fed chairman comes out and says, hey, we're going to be dovish and we're going to lower interest rates and we're going to start buying bonds, and the silver goes up, your gold goes up, your precious metals go up, your copper goes up. With the Fed coming out and saying that, it really seemed like it triggered something, especially in the silver market, to where there's a new, it broke out of our Fibonacci extensions, and honestly, it's going much higher. Dr. Kurt Elliott is saying in this video, $75 by Christmas. That seemed crazy recently, within the last even couple months. And, $140, $150 by, early summer. That seems insane right now. I purchased some silver in October, and I bought it around 52, kind of during that spike. And then it went down to 47, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I missed out. But right now, that just seems kind of ridiculous. I mean, now with that, it's up 85 cents this morning before the market. So we're looking at $65. So the fact that I was worried about, I got it at 52 and it's down to 47 temporarily. I mean, I was concerned, and I didn't need to be. Look at our AppMex affiliate link. That no additional cost to you. AppMex they're online, they're trusted. They've been around for a while. They've got a partnership with the U.S. Mint, so I guess that's kind of hard to get. But if you use that affiliate link, it does help the channel. It's no additional cost to you. And the channel gets a little bit from that. So that's a good way to support us. But other than that, let's get back to the video.
For the last year, right, I've said on your show, and we've talked about this, I think silver is going to be 67 to 75 by the end of the year, right? It's like, and like 2 months ago, this is my interpretation. It's like, hey, Dr. Kirk, are you smoking crack, right? It's like 40 something. Is it really going to go that high? It's like, yes, you don't understand. Silver is not like gold. Gold is a financial metal, right? It thrives on chaos and uncertainty, inflationary pressures. When silver runs out and the manufacturers of the world still need it for flat screen TVs and solar and electric vehicles and everything else, they're going to start offering almost any price. So this is what we started to see on Friday after Thanksgiving. There's a big signal that was breached on Friday that I want to talk about, where silver broke through the broad-based stock market index on a chart. We don't have to get into the technicals, the moving averages. The signal that we just saw on Friday happened, right? So it hasn't happened since 2001, where silver broke through the S&P 500 broad-based index, on a chart. That created a 10-year bull run where silver went up 10x. It went from 458 an ounce or so to 48 in 10 years. So by 2011, it was 48. Now, what's the new starting point? The signal was just breached on Friday after Thanksgiving. The new starting point wasn't 450, it's $54 an ounce. I don't care if we get 10x. What if we get 3x? What if we get 2x? What? I think this is just starting. This is the beginning of what I think is a decade-long bull market in commodities. By the end of the year, we probably have silver pushing 67 to 75. And by late spring, early summer, probably 120 to 140.